Well, hey y'all, welcome back to Doug's Cars. Got the car loaded up here with a bunch of pretzels and good stuff, and we're headed on down to race weekend. That's right, it is race weekend. We will be racing 2 cars, the Champ Car Series at VIR, Virginia International Raceway, outside of Danville, Virginia. We're gonna load those up and head on down the road this afternoon. We can get there before tech and get everything squared away. If you've not seen my race car videos before, I'll link to them above. There's a 1987 Porsche 944S in Guards Red that came pretty much fully prepared. Well, actually, so did the Jetta that we've been fielding before. It's an 85 Jetta with a VR6 transplant. So you're not gonna wanna miss this, although I just missed that light. So that's gonna push back a little bit. But stay tuned, because there's gonna be a lot of fun racing action, and I'm gonna be in the driver's seat, which is a first. So that could be very interesting, because who knows what could happen. Well, y'all, we made it to the track. Time to get some tech. Got gear here. Then we're gonna grab some pizza and beer, and then we'll be back tomorrow for racing. Well, morning, y'all. We're at the track, getting ready. Checking tire pressures, got the car teched. Oddly enough, one thing they made us do was tape up the rear window with actual tape, because everybody else has taken their windows out other than the windshield, and they require them to be taped. So I guess if it breaks, it is held together with tape. So anyway, that was a late night run to Home Depot, and yeah. Anyway, we're going to set up our pit stall number 18, and in a couple hours, we'll be racing. It's cold, but if you watched my video from December, it's not as cold as it was in December. And they're going off on the first warm-up lap. 2 cars, so we'll just be racing ourselves. Well, y'all, some not so good news. The car is back in the paddock. It's got some juice being supplied by Alex's pickup, and it won't turn over. So, did my race day just end? It might have. We'll just have to wait and see. It's still early, but the car only lasted 7 minutes on the track. That's not good. Well, as you saw, or rather heard, our day is now over. No Jetta, no 944, and it's just after lunchtime. Oh, yeah, that'll be nice to drive, but it's just heartbreaking. Like, I mean, these guys, Tyler, Alex, Mike, just put so much into making these cars work, and sometimes they break, and that's race life. It's been a tough day, I must say, but we'll be back. There's another 24-hour race in the summer, this track. I think we'll have both of these cars ready to go by then. Ready? Push. Heave. Too tight. You're good. Right, drive him in, push him out. This every day.
It's not on gravel, it's even easier.
And the tires aren't flat.
Yeah, they're not octagonal either.
Woo, she's mint, ready to go.
She's mint. Only had 3 miles on it. Freshly rebuilt engine, 3 months.
You want somebody to line them up? I mean. Alright.
Passenger! 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 There we go.
All right.
Well, y'all, I think that's the end of our day here. So, that's 2 cars loaded, and it's like 2 o'clock. So you gonna drive this one day? When we get it fixed? No? Close the door. Can you reach the pedals?
Yeah.
A little bit. Reach the steering wheel. This seat actually is on sliders, so we could make it closer, but just remember to suck it up, cupcake. Well, y'all, there it goes. I really was hoping that we would have a lot of good seat time, and you know, some folks got to race. That's awesome, and you know, so much effort goes into this. Just being at the shop and watching the guys work on these things, and then knowing that they put their heart and soul into this, and then having both cars have mechanical issues that were fatal. It's just unfortunate. So we'll be back. Y'all can come along. I'll film that too. So thanks y'all so much for watching Doug's Cars. We got to introduce, you know, a young car fan to a race car today, and that just made it all worthwhile. So keep liking, sharing, and subscribing if you want to see some more of this fun content, and I'll be back soon with some more Doug's Cars. Thanks for watching. Well, y'all, we found a way to get on the track after all. Kart track. Well, that was a lot of fun. You have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, that made up for some of today.